Is your V8 engine suddenly guzzling gas and running incredibly rough like it is missing a beat? You might be dealing with a frustrating cylinder deactivation problem. If you hook up your code reader and get a P3454, it means there is a performance issue with the cylinder 7 exhaust valve control circuit. This generic OBD2 code pops up on many modern vehicles equipped with cylinder deactivation technology. To save you money on gas during light highway driving or when idling, your engine computer will literally shut down half of the cylinders, turning a V8 engine into a V4 for up to 10 minutes at a time before switching back to V8 mode for 1 minute. It does this using variable valve timing solenoids that turn the exhaust valves on and off. Code P3454 specifically tells you that the powertrain control module, or PCM, has noticed a voltage or resistance problem in the exhaust valve control circuit for cylinder number 7. When this happens, the engine computer might completely disable the fuel injector for cylinder 7 until the problem is fixed, which creates a very noticeable engine misfire. The symptoms are pretty straightforward but definitely alarming. Your check engine light or service engine soon light will turn on. You will notice poor overall engine performance, heavily increased fuel consumption, and an engine misfire that shakes the vehicle because that cylinder is no longer firing properly. The root cause of this trouble code usually comes down to a faulty variable valve timing solenoid located right on or near the exhaust manifold. However, a very common and easily overlooked cause is simply low engine oil pressure, or a low oil level. The system relies on oil pressure to function properly, so a restricted oil passage can easily trigger this code. Other causes include faulty or damaged wiring, a heavily corroded electrical connector, or a defective engine computer. To fix this, your very first step should be checking your engine oil dipstick to make sure the oil is full and in good condition. Then, look for technical service bulletins for your specific year and model, as this is a known issue for many vehicles. You will want to visually inspect the wiring harness around cylinder 7 for any scraping, rubbing, or burn spots caused by the hot exhaust manifold. Common repairs include replacing the faulty variable valve timing solenoid, clearing out blocked oil passages, or simply cleaning green corrosion out of the electrical connectors. A major mistake people make is rushing to replace the solenoid when the real issue is just low oil pressure or a chewed-up wire. If your oil is full and the wiring looks perfectly fine, it is highly recommended to take your vehicle to a professional mechanic. Since a misfire can cause permanent and highly expensive damage to internal engine components, this code is considered moderate to severe and needs immediate attention. A mechanic will use a digital multimeter and a mechanical oil pressure gauge to run advanced continuity tests and verify that the resistance reads exactly 0 ohms. They know exactly how to check the reference voltage against the manufacturer's specifications safely. Do not let a simple oil pressure or sensor issue destroy your engine. Get it properly diagnosed and get back to enjoying that smooth ride. Catch you next time.